Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a oven electric igniter exchange. So I'm going to take that out. Some little screws that's right over here. Take those two screws out right there. And everything will come oven on. It wouldn't work. So I'll go right on it now. Got me another igniter. So one end is already spliced, and the other end just use the wire ties that came with the wire nuts. And I'll let you guys know what's going on. I do have these on my Amazon store, and I will include the part number and everything is already in the description. So hey, we're gonna see what happens. Put it in and turn the oven on and watch this thing glow up, and we're right back in business, baby. Stay tuned. All right, I took that one down, and now I'm going to put the other one in. I've seen a lot of people remove this upper part. Depends on what you're doing. It's also safe to remove it just in case you have any sparks. Always cut your gas off and everything. It's probably safer to remove it, because one bang or scrape, I'm not sure what happened, but I know they probably end up real bad for you. But stay tuned. Okay, here's the moment of truth. I'm going to turn my oven on. I'm going to see what happens. Yep. Here we go. Alrighty. Hey, that's it, baby. Let's go.